Hi, I'm Tim from Endless, which is a social loop pedal that allows you to create music with people from all over the world in real time.
My name is Antony Vaisburd. I'm head of Near Ukraine Hub.
My name is Pandur, and I'm a general manager of Near Balkans Hub.
So my name is Kevin, and I'm currently leading the Near Hub, the first actual Near Hub in Africa, which is in Kenya now.
So my name is Kyle Lundon. I'm a vice president of product at a company called Stack Sports. We are a youth sports software company, multiple different companies and products kind of under the umbrella. But our ultimate goal and mission is to drive and increase participation in sports.
That's a really good question. My slightly sort of unpopular opinion / hot take on this is that I'm not sure that there are as many differences between Web 2 communities and Web 3 communities. I think there are obviously very different, there are great differences between the technology, great differences between the incentive structures, but the needs of communities have always been the same. And I think it's easy to forget this. Technology doesn't invent new human needs, it just serves them in different ways.
Yeah, absolutely. I think Web3 community is like super cool actually. And like this is one of the reasons why I like working here, because usually the people came here from like ideas and they like being here on the front end of something, right? And they're really like supportive when your product is not ideal. They're not trying to ruin it, but they're eager to be early adopters and trying to like help to make it better.
I think learning, and when you have an open mind, you can challenge yourself not to make quick decisions, and you let yourself actually go into uncharted territory. That pays dividends in areas that you don't know about today.
Well, the thing is, in Web 2, you're kind of building the community based on your personal brand, your name, your surname, what you've done before. And coming to Web 3, you realize, okay, all of these things don't matter if you don't build up a specific type of reputation within the Web 3. So like here, sometimes it makes more sense, what your wallet did than what you as a person did. So there is like this completely different thing that you need to earn your respect, you need to earn your reputation within the new world. It doesn't matter what you did before, it matters what you are doing now.
So I think the really big opportunity that Web3 has is to kind of look at those early sort of Web 1, Web 1.5 communities, learn from what really worked there, but then apply what Web3 does really well, which is incentive structures, value capture, genuinely enfranchising communities to kind of build and own the wealth that comes implicitly through building community, through building culture, building myth, building memes, building meaning, belonging, etc. Yeah. So, I think the way we have to proceed going forward, if we're going to build long-term value in Web3, we have to put what people are doing before how people are capturing value from that. And I think that there's a nice analogy that I like to wheel out a lot, which is about football. I mean, today football is the most popular sport in the world. Everybody the top players in football are global household names, and it's a huge industry the world over. But football started with a bunch of kids kicking a rock around for fun, and they realized that was really great and fun, so they then decided to maybe put some rules about that and then set some definitions of what success could be, and then those rules kind of became enshrined in this an official game, and then an industry grew up around that. And I think that's really the roadmap for how to build kind of how to build community, I would say.
Yeah, I think like that's Near is like really about building the stuff. So I like the like like for me Near is very honest. Like yeah, I do have like very I want to be like very straightforward. We do have the communication with the Near and founders and founding team like for some time.
I can talk about my own personal experience. Let's say Near has been able to take what I love and provide me a clearer roadmap with other people that can allow me to build or scale what I was doing.
They got it immediately. And not only did they get it, they started talking about other ways it can be better, enhanced, and like, you know, just they started ideation around the idea was super cool to see. And so I know they're going to be great partners for what we're doing today, but also unlocking new ideas that we have, you know, phase 2, phase 3, etc. So yeah, super excited about it.